we will discuss about zeroth law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a science branch which has some laws. These laws are zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, and third law of thermodynamics. So in this class, I am taking this law. Here, before explaining this law, I will give one example. I am taking two systems. I am taking the third system also. If two systems, system 1 and system 3 are in thermal equilibrium, let us assume like that. Thermal equilibrium is both systems has same temperature. Okay, so let us assume temperatures here. I am taking T1 is some 25 degrees C. Okay, now I am taking T3, system 3. It is also 25 degrees C. We can say system 1 and system 3 are in thermal equilibrium because T1 is equal to T3. Let us assume these two are also in thermal equilibrium. Okay, initially we took these two are in thermal equilibrium. Now what I am doing? Second and third also in thermal equilibrium. These two also in thermal equilibrium. Whatever temperature here is equal to temperature of the third system. So third system temperature is 25. In thermal equilibrium, both system 2 and system 3 temperatures are same. That's why we are calling it is in system 2 and system 3 are in thermal equilibrium. The meaning is T3 is equal to T2. Initially, we are taking three systems. System 1 is thermal equilibrium with system 3 and system 2 is in thermal equilibrium with system 3. Now if these two are in thermal equilibrium, we can say according to these temperatures T1, T2, these are also in thermal equilibrium because T1 is equal to T2. Now I will write here T1 is equal to T2. So we can say system 1 and system 2 is also in thermal equilibrium. Okay, this is called zeroth law of thermodynamics. So according to this law, if two systems are in thermal equilibrium with the third system, then these two systems are also in thermal equilibrium. Okay, got it. I will give one more example. Let us take two persons, person 1 and person 2. Okay, now take the third person also. If this person 1 and person 3 are friends and person 2 is friend with person 3 separately. Okay, these two members are the friends. These two persons are also the friends. Now we can say person 1 and person 2 also friends. Okay, this is the best example for zeroth law of thermodynamics. Now if you want, you write this law also, what it states. So according to this law states when two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system. Okay, two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, then the two systems are also in thermal equilibrium with one another. Then two systems are also in thermal equilibrium with one another. So this is very easy and simple law and also very important in thermodynamics.